In this video, I'm just going to show you that how to hide your friend list on Facebook app, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook app and then just simply come to the menu and click on the view to open up settings and privacy. And in settings and privacy section, just tap on that search icon and you'll search for the friend, and here you will get who can see your friend list. Just simply tap on that option and you will be redirected to that page where you can fix the visibility of your friend list. You can see now it's set it to friends, and just simply tap on it and you can set it public, friends accept, specific friends. If you just want to completely block your friend list on Facebook, just simply tap on only me. So like in this way only you will be able to see your friend list. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment below and I'll be catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.